It's the Jackson County Health Department here with another 5210 places you can go. Today we're at the Jackson County Public Library. We're going to learn about their discovery kits, outdoor games, and seed library. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm the Youth Services Manager at the Jackson County Public Library. A discovery kit is a bag filled with books and interactive materials that you can check out with your library card, take home, and play with. Let me show you some discovery kits. Right here on our wall, we have some different themes. So we have a camping discovery kit where kids can pretend to play and pretend they're camping. We have a gardening where they can pretend to plant flowers. We have a dinosaur discovery kit. An ocean life discovery kit with ocean animals inside. We have even a math discovery kit to help with learning and farming, night, reptiles, so many different discovery kits for all ages. And most importantly, I'd like to show you our young athletes discovery kit where you can go outside and be active.
All right, now let's head upstairs and check out some outdoor games.
An outdoor game is just like a discovery kit where all of the equipment is in a bag. You can take it to the checkout desk and they will unlock it for you. You take it home and you play the game at a park or at your house. So a few different ones we have here are ladder toss, we have disc golf, a couple of pickleball bags with paddles and balls. We've got bocce ball. Oh, this is actually cornhole. But we do have bocce ball as well. We've got checkers, tic-tac-toe, super tic-tac-toe, croquet, and a few others that may be checked out right now. So all you need to check out an outdoor game or discovery kit is to have your library card. So once you go to the checkout desk, give them your library card and they'll unlock it for you. You can play with it at home or at the parks, bring it back for others to enjoy once you're done. Yes, we have badminton, bocce ball, croquet, and ladder toss at the branches as well at Medora and Crothersville libraries. So you can check those out at the branches or here. July 31st from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. for all ages, we have Bubble Fest, and it's going to be at the End of Summer Escape event. All right, thank you.
Hi, my name is Christy Gray, and I'm the Information Services Coordinator here at the library. The Seed Library is a collection of heirloom seeds that anybody can come and check out. You don't need a library card to check out seeds, and you don't need to be living in our library district to check out seeds. You can check out seeds by coming to our seed library and picking out 5 seed packets, no duplicates, and then you stop at the front desk and somebody can check them out for you. We have an assortment of vegetables, fruits, herbs, and flowers, and they're all heirloom seeds. We have seed libraries at each of our branch locations, so Seymour, Medora, and Crothersville. There's still time to sign up for our summer learning program that ends on July 28th.
Thanks, Christy. Stop by the Jackson County Public Library this summer and see what you can discover.